Hi, today I'm going to share with you how you can find the referral code on the Lbank cryptocurrency exchange. So first up, you have to be logged into your Lbank exchange account. If you haven't got an account already, I will leave a link in the description below. So you have to be logged into your account, and this is what your account will look like. As you can see, you do not have to be verified or anything like that. You can do this without being verified. Just wanted to mention that. You'll be on your home page right here, and you want to click on this little symbol here, which is a little person symbol. You will notice a drop down tab, and you can see on the drop down tab where it says referral. What you need to do is click on that. You can see the referral symbol right here. So just click on that, and then it will take you to the invite dashboard right here. As you can see, I've got one friend that's been invited and that has traded. You can see the amount of people that are invited as well, and how much you're made from this, which will be paid out in USDT. So your commission will be paid out every single month in USDT. So from the day that you signed up, you can calculate that the next 30 days is when you will be paid out your commission. You can see the amount that you receive. So you will receive 30% of all the trades, and it can be up to 50%. So if you have more people that sign up, you will earn up to 50% commissions on every single trade. So the fees, I'm talking about the fees that they make from the trades. You will get 50% or 30% of them. You won't actually get 30% of the cryptocurrencies that they trade or buy. And you can see what it will show with you right down here. You can see how much I've made, the USD amount, and you can see the link right here. This is a link that you need to actually refer people. So if people sign up under this link that you share, so you can share this on social media, anywhere. If your friends are looking to trade cryptocurrencies, then you can share them this link. If there's a specific cryptocurrency they want to trade and it's only on Lbank, then you can give them your link, and if they make the trade, you will earn commissions for life. This is for life as well. And my one tip is you could create content on like TikTok and YouTube, and you could share your link in there on the platforms there. So that's one option for you. You can share it to your friends as well, friends and family. So that's how you get the link, and as long as they use this link, you will get the commissions for lifetime. And that's how simple it really is. Now the commissions are based on all the trades that they make on their account, and only the fees like I mentioned. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the description below. And if you do want to go back to, if you want to come to this area at all, you always just have to go to this little man symbol right here and just click on the referral button right here. And that's how simple it is to get to this tab right here. And I hope this video has helped you out. If you do have any questions, once again, let me know in the description below. And if you want to sign up to the Lbank exchange, I will leave a link in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.